Guys, hopefully this sounds okay. Other camera died, so we're just back to using the iPhone 13. Yes. Anywho, we're gonna do kind of a 3-in-1 unboxing thing here today with the lights. 3 different lights here, all from Temu. This is similar to an Olight. Does not have a magnetic base, and it's not rechargeable at the base. But this little guy, get it open, does take the CR1234As. Got a little plastic piece. Save that way I can put one back in it. Yay. And not bad. You have to click through it in order to turn it off. Click and hold. Unfortunately, it doesn't do anything. This is not an Olight. So, button here is a little strange. It could just be my unit. But other than that, it's a decent little light. It's great for EDC. Small enough. You can clip it onto a ball cap and use it for a headlight. It would be nice if this was magnetic, which I'm sure it's not. Nope. Already checked. I knew it wasn't. Anyway, it's a glass lens, which is nice. Usually when they get this cheap, it's plastic. So that's a nice. Again, it takes the CR123 batteries, or C123R batteries. So you can buy the rechargeables. You can always keep it recharged. This is pretty nice. Great for EDC. Next is this little pen light, stiff limpy. Comes with charging cable. And it's adjustable. It's tail lit. It is tail lit, it lights up at the end. Sorry, I had an interruption. So it's not a whole lot of focal adjustment, but it's some. And again, this is, you gotta cycle it in order to turn it off. Holding it does not change it. But this isn't bad. It's pretty nice. It is rechargeable, obviously, because it comes with a power cord. Hopefully I'm keeping this in view. I have no way to see. So, but, oops, get down in there. This would be great for like a medical bag, for stuff like that. Being able to check pupils. Obviously you want it on a lower setting, not the higher flash. But yeah, this would be great for inside a medical bag or inside your glove box. Again, you've got a charging cable so you can keep it charged up. Overall, decent little light. That is also a glass lens. So, nifty little light, not bad. Last is this guy. This guy comes equipped with a solar panel. And you can charge it by cranking it, which makes this a great emergency light. Here's the switch. Just one brightness. It's not super bright, which it doesn't need to be. It's for emergencies. It does have a little clip here so you can clip it onto things. Overall, it's not a bad light. You don't need no extra charging cable. You can either leave it in the sun. And I will say one thing. Most of these little panels on these take a long time to charge. So, it's great that it's got this. So that way if it does run dead, you can just crank it for a little bit. Use it when you need to, and then during the day, let it sit out in the sun and charge. But But yeah, it's, you know, for the price of each one of these, they're very good. I mean, yeah, you got to wait a week and a half to get it from Temu. Some people might not like that. They may want it now. I have to do what I can do, and I'm willing to wait a little bit sometimes. Anyway, but yeah, this is 3 little lights from Temu. I think all are very valid purchases. No, this is not sponsored by Temu in any way, shape, or form. I was too little of a guy, so I was told. I don't qualify. Anyway, yeah, I asked. Why not? Anyway, so yeah, nice emergency light for on a backpack. One you can keep in the car, and one for EDC. Quick, short, simple little video. I will post links to all of these down below. And yeah, just a quick little video. So until next time, SOP says, peace.